Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how you can make your footage look buttery smooth without using a gimbal. You ready? Let's go. That was a shot with a gimbal? No way. That's impossible. No, it's not, and I'll show you how it's done. All right, first things first. I had a really great time filming that little sequence with my brother. We found this winding mountainous road with a super nice scene in the background, which made us decide that we just had to try to get the most epic running B-roll sequence that we could in that moment. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of a problem. Because we were on the go and we didn't bring all our gear, we didn't have any gimbals or stabilizers with us to assist us when shooting this B-roll sequence. So we had to make do with what we had. And in our bag, we packed a camera and a tripod. Now to get the results that I got, I used 3 simple tricks, or hacks you might say, to make sure that the footage is as smooth as can be without using a gimbal or a stabilizer. Hack number 1 is that I increased my frame rate. Increasing your frame rate allows you to slow down your footage in post-production. Slowing down your shot will have a great effect on the smoothness of your shot because all of the micro jitters and camera moves will not be as apparent. I shot that sequence in 120 frames per second, which means that in post-production, I can slow down my footage by 5 times, so down to 20%, and still have it look super smooth in a 24 frames per second timeline. Second hack I used is I slapped on my 16mm wide angle lens, because when using a wide angle lens, all micro jitters and unwanted camera moves will just be a lot less apparent. Or the third hack that I used had the biggest impact on the quality of the footage. We MacGyvered our tripod into somewhat of a stabilizer. And we did that by extending all the legs of the tripod and flipping one leg up vertically. And that acts as a grip. Now, with the legs extended, we extended the head of the tripod and balanced it in such a way that the center of gravity was with the grip and the camera had the same weight as the extended legs. And when using that, the center of gravity of the camera was really low, which allowed me to mob down that road right behind Cedric, trying to keep the camera as low as possible, as close to Cedric as possible, to get the most epic shot that we could. Now obviously we planned our shots ahead of time. I knew that I was going to follow cam Cedric while he was mobbing down that road, which is a workout in itself. The punch in, we tried to really hold the camera as low to the ground and as close to Cedric as possible while still mobbing down that road. And that was good fun actually, but I'm really happy with the shots I got, and I hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you all for watching the video. If you're still here, chapeau. If you've enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you would take the time to like and subscribe to this video. I really enjoy making these videos, and you can be sure that there's a lot more coming real soon. Alright, with that being said, I wish you all a great day. Stay home, stay safe. Peace. We're out.